be making slime?
You will need saline solution, lotion, glitter, cornstarch, food coloring, baking soda, white school glue, and shaving cream. We are going to be making fluffy slime. So first, you would like to pour in 1 cup of glue. Careful.
Whoa. Like a
It
fountain
looks
of glue.
like white chocolate.
Yeah! Then
you would like to add 1 cup. Give me this side, please. 1 cup of shaving.
Oh my god!
Shaving cream. I have to keep it away from my clothes.
Oh no. Oh no, the shaving cream is going crazy.
Okay. Yay.
Pour it in. Get out. There we go.
Take the spoon. Scoop it all out. Then you're going to add your food coloring.
Is that green?
Yes, it's green.
Yeah.
It says green. It says green. Here you go. Okay, let me get some for you, and then you can add all the drops, and then I'll mix it. Here, add as many drops, and then you can keep on adding as much drops as you like to make it this color you want. Oh my god.
Done.
Okay. Add
yeah.
all. Okay. Oh my god, my fingers are so messed.
I think I need more.
You want to use your clothes, be careful.
I need more green.
Put some. Still white. We've tried so many slime recipes and almost all of them didn't work. So I really hope this one works. So you're going to keep on putting a few drops of food coloring until you get the color you would like. You want more? Okay, you start now. My turn! Everybody!
Yeah. It needs to be really green. It needs to be dark green. Whoa, this is cream. I'm making you dizzy.
Once you reach the color that you like, you should add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Oh, be careful.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Okay, wow. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Then you're gonna add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Half. Yeah, I know. I don't think so. I think that's right. No. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Then you mix until all of it is gone. Then you would like to add 3 squirts of water lotion. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Maybe that's lotion, isn't it? That's what it's meant to be. Lotion.
It smells so good. Once everything is all mixed up, you are going to add a teaspoon of activator. Or you can just spray it in there, but we just want to do this just to be safe. After we do this, we're just going to spray it like crazy, but not too crazy. Once it starts becoming very sticky and it starts coming off the bowl like this, then that means it's time to use your hands. If it is too sticky, like right now, you have to add more activator. After a long time of mixing and kneading this thing, it finally became slime.
Yeah, that's sticky.
Not very sticky.
Yes, really sticky.
It doesn't stick to your hand that much because we put lots of activator. But you should not over-activate your slime or else it won't work and it'll become very hard.
Like my first slime. So I'm happy.
So the last step you want to do is add glitter if you want. Do you want glitter?
Yes, complete.
The last step is to add glitter. Doesn't want to come out. Get out. Ooh. So pretty.
Think that may be too much.
This is a pretty nice slime. Poke your fingers in, Zaze. Not like that. Feels like a pretty nice slime. Poke your fingers.
Yeah, pretty. It is pretty nice.
The slime is so cool, but I'm gonna give it to you because I made a slime earlier. This is what I made. I added purple glitter and red glitter and stars in my slime. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. You should say bye. You should say bye.